And one of those major programs is the registration on Taifa Care, as part of President Ruto's commitment to ensure that we have universal health coverage for every Kenyan. And the reason why all of us must register in Taifa Care is that when you are sick, if you go to a hospital, you'll be able to get the medical attention that is required. You'll be able to have the doctors attend to you, the hospitals will have the medicines that you need, and most importantly, this program and process would allow us to improve the health care facilities that we have. Now, once you register, then you are expected to pay some amount of money on a monthly basis based on your income. For those who have very low income, you are expected to pay as little as 300 shillings. And for those who earn a lot of money, like myself and the Attorney General and the MPs who are here, they pay much more than yourself. All I'm being asked to pay is 30 or 40,000 based on my income. And it might look like it's a lot of money. But if I don't do that, it means that the person who pays the 300 shillings or the person who has no capacity to pay will not be able to access the healthcare that is needed. And that is what will lead to what you call black tax. So that every week your MP will have to be called to Harambes to raise money to take care of his constituents who are in hospital. So this program is not just helping the common mwananchi. It is also helping those who are privileged, like some of us who have a payslip, which again is paid by the taxpayers. The other critical thing is that the highest reason, or the biggest reason why most families have gone into poverty is because of healthcare. We've had families sell their properties, even exhaust their savings because they are taking care of their loved ones. Under the Universal Healthcare Program that is being championed by His Excellency President Ruto, once all Kenyans are registered and those who have the capacity to pay, then we will be able to take care of each and every individual in this country. And therefore, it's important that if you haven't registered, let's take advantage of the opportunity that has been availed by the Attorney General to make sure all of us are registered at Taifa Care.